Helix.
So let's dig into OpenSimon and your hopes that by opening up these software tools to higher ed that all of us will be able to learn and adopt new best practice pedagogy faster.
Carnegie Mellon is a university that has taken this step into what we call learning engineering and learning sciences, really on the footsteps of Herb Simon, who was a Nobel laureate from Carnegie Mellon in the 70s and was a cognitive psychologist who really put the challenge forth to people that we should not make education a solo sport. We should make it a community-based research activity. So we should really think hard about what's going on in the classroom and what's going on in the minds of the students who are learning, how they're learning, and how we could actually teach them in a way that would improve their learning, making that itself a research activity. So I think the best way to describe this is that we've been engaging in research in this space for really 30 or 40 years. So there's been a lot of projects that are funded by the National Science Foundation, the National Institutes of Health, the Institute for Education and Science, etc. And we've used that money to do research on what works to improve learning. And we've also developed a lot of techniques and tools that are really important to be able to accelerate and do that whole process efficiently. And so at a certain point, we decided that it would be very, very useful to make those tools openly available to as many people as possible, so that the idea is, we have a suite of tools that supports the entire life cycle of designing, developing, delivering, and using data to improve educational projects. And if we put those tools into a position where everybody else can use them, then we can not only get others to help us improve the tools and develop them, but we can help others improve their own educational offerings in a demonstrably meaningful way.